All right, how you guys doing today? So let's look at this, right? You've been trying to make some money online, but you are having a lot of challenges. You don't have enough traffic going to your link. You are having problem making money, right? And then you see some of us who are just steadily earning income online, and you keep asking yourself, how come? How come? Now, the way I was able to do it was not running from one program to another, right? So what you notice out there, a lot of people are jumping from one program to another, to another, to another. Look, I'm not going to say too much about it because I did it in the past, right? You know, there's always one new program that is going to come online. You see, because a lot of what happened is this, the gurus have noticed that after promoting a product for a while, that it goes away, right? So because it goes away, they have to create something else, you know? And because of the way they are always trying to create something new, right now they are creating so many products that doesn't make sense, right? That are just cash gifting, okay? And then what they try to do is to bring the price as low as $5 so that you don't get to think about it, right? You just jump in. You just jump in and without even thinking about the product you are promoting. So you see, a lot has changed online. In the past, you're always looking for high quality products to promote, right? Products that you know that is going to last for years. And there are many programs like that, but people don't like going for those programs because they don't promise you fast money, right? So because they don't promise you fast money, so people don't want to, very few people do that. So what they do, they focus on programs like that. No, I won't mention any name, right? that is cash gifting, right? You know, so those programs, they have very popular gurus and marketers around it that know how to tell you, hey, I've just made $1,000, I've just made $5,000, and then they just walk on your mind. And then once they walk on your mind, you don't have the time to think, right? You get what I'm saying? Because they're always posting, this person has given me $5, this person has given me $10, this person has given me $20. So it doesn't allow you to think. Your own is, oh, how can I get my own $5? It still happens to me after all these years, but I have to control it, right? I have to control it because I know that those programs are going to fade away. They always fade away. I've been doing this for almost 5 years right now. I've seen a lot of them. You know, all cash gifting schemes, no matter how they make it look like, they always fade away, you know, because what you have is simple. You have about some top 1% that are good at marketing. They have a lot of followers. So they are going to go out and grab all these followers and get all of them to pay the $5 or whatever amount. And and after some time, those people are not going to make any money, right? Because there's nothing in the program. It's just cash gifting. So they are not going to make any money. So eventually, those people at the bottom, which are going to be almost over 90% of them, they are going to get frustrated. And once those people at the bottom are not really bringing out money anymore, you know what happens with the whole program? It falls apart, right? I have done this thing many times. I think they have a name for it. In the stock trading side of it or crypto trading side, they call it a pump and dump, right? So you have all these gurus and very good marketers pumping the program, right? And then you are seeing those gurus, not everybody, just the gurus. You are seeing them making money. And at the point when the whole program doesn't make sense, they just leave, right? That's the dump. And they go and start a new one. They will always start a new one, right? So, so it's always called pump and dump, right? So, so those of you who don't understand it, that's what's happening. So those gurus have made a lot of money and they're just going to walk away. They've done that with so many programs. And they're going to look for another one, and then they're going to pump it again and dump you again. So at a point, you have to come to realization that this is what's happening, right? and I keep noticing that a lot. And the gurus have already made their name, right? So they've made their name, so they are always going to be at the top, right? There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing you can do about it. They have built a very large following of cult following. And I'm not kidding you. It's literally cult following. So they are always going to do well. Well, that's what I believe, right? Because I know that when it comes to making money online, it's a numbers game. And the person with the number makes it, right? So these guys, that's what they are doing. And a lot of people are falling for their tricks. And the trick will never change because that's the way they make money. So they are always going to come back with another weird program, that cash gifting program. Hey, give me $5 here. I will give you $5 there. It doesn't make sense, right? That shouldn't be the way we should be doing business online. But come on. At the end of the day, we just want to make money, right? So for me, it's all about looking for products that are high quality products, right? Product that is going to, work for you for like 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, right? And that's why I am promoting the MegaLink online store system, because it just makes sense, right? These are high quality products, and that's what matters to me when it comes to promoting things. I don't have time to run around looking for a million programs, right? So when I promote the MegaLink online store, it's because it makes sense. This is a done-for-you online store with high-quality products. The creator of this program, spends millions of dollars creating softwares, apps, coaching programs. So you are talking of somebody that is committed to his own program, right? So that was what I saw in him. That this guy, he has been in this thing for over 15 years and he has not changed, He does not pump and dump programs, all those nonsense. He creates systems, creates softwares, create coaching courses. And then he allows you to promote them for literally nothing, right? Like the MegaLink cost only $7, right? And then by you just getting the MegaLink for $7, you have a complete suite of online programs in a store. Imagine that. That's unheard of, right? So you have your own done-for-you online store that you can promote, and you are rest assured, except maybe a catastrophic something happen or something weird in the world, you are rest assured that you will be able, this program is going to last for 10 years, 20 years, because nobody is going to spend millions of dollars setting up a whole system and collapse it, right? So that means you are rest assured this is a program that is going to last. When I check out, before I decided to settle down with this online store system, I was like, hey, what am I really going to promote and just keep promoting for years? That was what I decided to do, because I don't want to keep following all these fake gurus who keep creating all these cash gifting schemes, and before you've promoted for 2 months, 3 months, a new one is there, a new one is there, just confusing your people, confusing everybody. So I decided, come on, what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a real owner of a business, who is really out there to help other people, who create real products, right? At least real digital products. Just think of the products in the mega link. You have autoresponders, you have website builders, you have softwares for Facebook marketing, you have softwares for Reels, and all in one place. And look, you have access to promote all these products just by paying $7. It's not like he's asking you to pay $1 million. Just $7, right? So that was what I looked at. Just with $7, you have your own online store, fully automated with over 20 to 30 products, and all you needed to promote is one link. Now, look at the cost. $7, right? It's for just $7, you get all these products worth thousands of dollars, and then you only promote one link, which is your mega link, and that's all I'm promoting, right? You can go on my Facebook profile. I don't even bother to promote any other thing anymore. With that, you just get one link, and then you start promoting one link, which is simple, easy for a brand new beginner, because $7 is nothing. Yesterday, I went to Starbucks. I took a cup of coffee, and I paid $7 for it. Oh my God. Actually, it's a mocha. According to my wife, I think she called it a mocha tea or something. And it was $7, right? In Starbucks. Imagine that. And that is all you need to get your own online store for a cup of coffee. Is that not crazy, right? So you can see how awesome that is. So there's no hype. We are not hyping anybody. You can just get it for $7, and then you have your own online store with products already done for you, right? And all you do is to just share your link, right? And how simple it is to promote it. This is the easiest thing to promote, right? Because you just copy and paste free ads on social media, and that's all I'm doing, right? I just copy, paste free ads every day on Facebook groups, TikTok, Instagram, that's all. And most of the time, you already get the materials that you need to post on those platforms have already been done for you. I've never seen a program as awesome as this, right? And just look, within a short time, I've already made over $10,000. I don't need to hype anything. I don't need to cash gift anybody anything. I just gently, quietly keep promoting my online store. That's all. And as people come in, they see the products, they like the online store, they want to have their own, and then they pay $7 and they get their own mega link. It's so easy, right? That's the way I like it, less stress. You build your store, build your business, and remember, you earn high ticket commissions, because some of the products in the store, they are high ticket coaching program, and you don't have to buy them, right? You don't have to buy anything you don't want to buy. You just get the online store, start promoting it, go through some of their training, start initially make some few $100, then move up to thousands like us, and that's all, right? So it allows everybody to grow at their pace, which is why I like it, okay? All right, guys. So if you have questions about the MegaLink online store, Like I told you, it's just $7. And if you want to check it out, there is no stress around it. I just left a link in the description above, okay? Click that link. Check it out. If you like it, you pay your $7. It's a one-time fee, no monthly fees. Everybody can afford it. And then you have your own online store, and then you start promoting it. If you need any help, ideas on how to promote, you can always get back to me. I have a lot of materials when you join my team, so I easily give out those materials so that other people can do well also with it, right? I call them the Victor free bonuses, right? But if you have questions, you can always ask me also, right? It's so simple. All right, so if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button so that other people can get this idea and don't get trapped in this nonsense game of, gurus just getting you to spend money. That's all it's all about. You want to build a business and you want to stick to a company that makes sense, right? And I tell you one thing, the Mega Link online store, it makes sense a lot. All right, guys. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.